I'm Brenda Butner, and this is the Fox News Morning Market Report as we watch the opening bell ringing over on the NASDAQ. Wall Street also watching lots of action this morning, starting with oil. Crude prices continue to fall, down below 51 bucks a barrel earlier this morning. The market has plunged more than 35% since hitting a peak above $78 last July. Investors also taking in the latest numbers on inflation. Wholesale prices last December rose 0.9%. That's down from 2% in November. The Labor Department also saying that prices for all of last year were up 1.1%. That's down from a big gain in 2005. A slowdown in energy prices helping to cool things off. Another thing continuing to cool off, the housing market. If Lennar's latest report is any indication, the Miami-based home builder swung to a loss in the fourth quarter from a year earlier profit. It offered fresh evidence that the housing slowdown isn't over, expecting deliveries to be off some 20% in 2007, but the firm did say 2007 earnings would come in above expectations, helping move shares higher. Meantime, blue chips could get a boost from J.P. Morgan, the investment bank beating the street, exceeding expectations for sales and profits in the fourth quarter. So did the world's biggest chip maker, but Intel could pressure the major market averages nonetheless. After reporting earnings late yesterday, profit fell nearly 40% in the latest quarter, and forecasts for this year didn't impress investors. Well, how's all this adding up for the markets? We have some down arrows, but it's still early. The Dow off about 25, the NASDAQ lower by 10, and the S&P losing about 1.5. Could the deep freeze that's killing crops out in California heat up your expenses in the coming weeks? Neil has all the answers on Your World at 4 p.m. Eastern. And on this weekend's Business Block, will Democrats declare war on President Bush after his State of the Union next week? And will stocks be a casualty? That's 10 a.m. Saturday. And that's your Fox News Morning Market.